Hi, I'm Chef Tom, Executive Chef for President's Choice Cooking Schools. While our cooking schools are closed, I'm here at home cooking up a storm for my family, so welcome. Today, I wanted to show you a really quick and easy recipe. It's called pasta carbonara. We're going to be using some spaghetti, bacon, 3 eggs, Parmigiano Reggiano, and some garlic. It's optional, and then some parsley. So we've got the water. It's boiling nicely. Take our pasta right in the center and twist it like that and let it go. Let's start our bacon. So what we want to do is we want to dice up our bacon. So you want to drag your knife when you're cutting any type of meat. So just like that. Next thing we want to do is we want to just take our garlic and we're just going to give that a bit of a smack like that. What's that going to do? It's going to release a little bit of the perfume, all those great flavors. Take our bacon and put it right into the pan. And then the garlic. The garlic that we smashed, we're just going to put that in, and that's going to flavor all that bacon. We're going to take our parchment paper, take our cheese, and we're going to grate the cheese. Once we've grated our cheese, we want to start with our eggs. So we want to use 3 eggs. There we are. We can add our cheese. And we want to use a good amount of pepper. So now we're just going to scramble these up. So we've cleaned off our cutting board, and now we want to chop our parsley. So what I do with the parsley is I just take it and I just bunch it all together, and it makes it so much easier when I'm chopping. Just like that. Okay, so our bacon is nice and rendered. It's almost there, perfect. So what we want to do now is we want to take the garlic out. It's done its job. It's given us all that flavor. So now what I'm going to do is turn off my burner. Just like that. We're going to let that cool down. And then we want to check our pasta. So what we want to do is just take a piece like this and taste and see if it's done. Pasta's good, perfect. So now we have our pasta, and we're going to add it right into this pan. You can hear that sizzle. We almost want it to stop sizzling. When you hear that sizzle stop, that's when you know it's ready to add the next ingredient, which is our eggs and Parmesan cheese. Before I do anything else, I'm just going to take a little bit of this pasta water and reserve it. And maybe add a little bit here to start my emulsification and start getting everything moving. So at this point, we'll take our eggs and we're going to add them in here. Just like that. And now we want to start moving our pasta. We're going to add a little bit more water, just like that. So we want to add a little bit of parsley right now. Keep moving it. Right now, as we talked about it, our burner is totally off, and we're just emulsifying and making this beautiful, beautiful pasta. So we're going to take this aside here, and it's time to plate up. So we take this, just put it on a plate. That looks delicious. Gorgeous. So we want to finish off with a little bit more cheese, a touch of parsley, and for a little bit more fun, a little bit of pepper. So there you have it, pasta carbonara. How easy is that?